There I was again tonight, forcing laughter, faking smiles. Same old tired, lonely place. Walls of insincerity, shifting eyes and vacancy. Vanished when I saw your face. All I can say is it was enchanting to meet you. Your eyes whispered, have we met? Across the room, your silhouette starts to make its way to me. The playful conversation starts, counter all your quick remarks like passing notes in secrecy. And it was enchanting to meet you. All I can say is I was enchanted to meet you. This night is sparkling, don't you let it go. I'm on last ride, rushing all the way home. I'll spend forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted to meet you.
Sila makakapagpapalala ng Panginoon at mabasbasan ang kanilang pagkakais sa kanilang puso. Ang madaming mga pangyarihan sa paglikha mo sa sangkatauhan, niloob mo ang lalaki at babae ay magkaroon ng kaisahan. Pagbuklodin mo sina Reniel at Sarah sa banal na tipan ng pagkakaisa at pagmamahalan.
Mga babae, pasakop kayo sa inyo-inyong asawa tulad ng pagpapasakop ninyo sa Panginoon. Mga lalaki, ibigin ninyo ang inyo-inyong mga asawa gaya ng pag-ibig ni Kristo sa simbahan.
Noong panahong iyon, sinabi ni Jesus, sa pasimula pa ng likhain ng Diyos ang sanlibutan, nilalang niya silang lalaki at babae, dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina, at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa, at sila'y maging isa.
Sarah, bukal ba sa iyong diblo ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Reniel na iyong pakamahal at paglilingkuran na buhay? Reniel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Sarah na iyong pakamahal at paglilingkuran na buhay? Nakahanda pa rin buwana sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong aawagain ang masuli na ipagkakalo ng pukay kapal upang sila ay inyong malakihin bilang mabuting mga Kristiyano. Minamahal mo Reniel at Sarah sa alam ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan. Pagdaupin ninyo ang inyong mga palad at ipahayaw ninyo ang bitihing magtipan sa banal na sakramento ng kasal. Nanalangin ko ngayon ang sunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan. Buong puso ba ang pagkakalo mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay? Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa? Reniel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Sarah na narito ngayon ayon sunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan? Buong puso ba ang pagkakalo mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa? Nakalaan ka bang patigilin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa? Bilang napagpatunay ng simbahan, pinagtitibay at binabasbasan ang pagkataling puso ng ipagtitipan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Ang aming mawain, basbasan at tungtupin ang iyong mga linggo na sina Reniel at Sarah. Pagkalooban mo sila ng sapat na kabuhayan sila pagkakamit ng buhay na walang hanggan. Inilulog namin ito sa pamamagitan ni Yesu Cristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Pagbabasbas ng singsing, ang aming mapagmahal, basbasan mo din namin ang iyong malingkod na sina Emiel at Syra. Pagindapatin mo na silang magsusuot ng mga singsing na ito, ay magkawangis mo sa iyong wagas na pag-ibig at walang maliw na katamanan. Pinulong namin ito sa pamamagitan ni Cristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpasawalang hanggan. Amen.
Mahal, kailanman hindi kita pagkakasin. Isuot mo ang pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito. Isang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katawan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Mahal, kailanman hindi kita pababayaan. Inilalagay ko sa iyo itong mga aras na tanda ng aking pagpapakita at pagkalinga sa Panginoon mo at ng ating anak at magiging anak sa ngalan ng Ama
at Syra, at para sa buong simbahan, sanlibutan, at sa ikapagkakaisa ng tanan, ang ating pong itutugon, isinasama namin kami iyong dinggin. Sinasama namin kami iyong dinggin.
Para kina Rene at Syra, na ngayon pinagbuklod sa pag-iisang titig upang sila'y mamuhay sa kalusugan at maligtas sa pangalan. Manalangin tayo sa Panginoon.
Isa ng mga anghel na nagsisiawit ng papuri sa iyo nang walang humpay sa kalangitan, kami nagbubunyi sa iyong kadakilaan. Sa pamamagitan ni Kristo, kasama niya sa Kanya ang lahat ng parangalan at pulilis. Bigyan mo rin sila ng matatag na tahanan at mga anak na huhubugin sa mabuting balita ng anak ng mahal para maging mga asahang kaaning ng iyong angkan. Ang kapayapaan ng Panginoon ay laging sumayin. At sa magbigay ka ng kapayapaan sa isa't isa. Para kina Riniel at Zaira na isang puso sa banal na sakramento ng kasal. Ang iyong katapatan ay panatilihin sa kanila nang sa bawat kapwa ay kanilang maipakilala na totoong maaasahan ka sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan.
Amen. sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I won't go down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white tonight. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man.
Ellen Siren, your day is only just beginning, and it is ready for yours.
Gentlemen, may I have your attention please? We are about to begin our celebration, so please find a seat and make yourself comfortable. Thank you so much for coming over and celebrating this day's momentous event, a celebration of love between Reniel and Syra as they begin their life together as husband and wife.
A very good morning to everyone and welcome to Reniel and Cyrus' wedding reception. Thank you for taking time to be part of this journey of love, especially to those who traveled so far many miles or to those who took the leave of absence.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and loved ones, the newlyweds extend their heartfelt gratitude to all of you for celebrating their new life as a couple. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day.
I am Richie Balangatan.
And I am Mark Jancy Sampanga, and we are your masters of ceremony for today's event.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we begin this beautiful celebration of love and commitment, it is our honor to acknowledge a distinguished group of individuals who hold a very special place in today's ceremony. Let us now witness the march of the bridal entourage. They have already lined up today's ceremony. They are youthful in heart and spirit, the most gracious and generous principal sponsors. They are only a few, especially chosen by the couple to serve as their second parent who will guide them in a journey as a married couple. Allow me to introduce them one by one, starting with Mr. Charles Loren Gozo and Mrs. Evangeline Antonio. A big round of applause, please. Once they call your name, please stand up. Mr. Ruben Madara and Mrs. Rowena Madara. And also let us acknowledge Mr. Enrico Sabini and Mrs. Alma Sabini. Mr. Resi Pedraja and Mrs. Presi Yambol. Mr. Victoriano Valentine and Mrs. Maria Jo Dora Valentine. Mr. Michael Herschel Lucro and Mrs. Rowena Prise. Mr. Gary Gandia and Mrs. Bel Yupena Gandia. Mr. Ruben Aliado and Mrs. Rowena Aliado. Mr. Lawrence Hidalgo and Mrs. Marites Hidalgo. Mr. Joel Castillan and Mrs. Julie Capriano. Mr. Romualdo Valentine and Mrs. Bessie De Gracia. Mr. Ruel Peniara and Mrs. Marian Peniara. Mr. Gerardo Narden and Mrs. Elizabeth Miranda.
We would like to thank the happy occasion. Of course, this event would not be possible without their assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you the parents of the bride, Mrs. Portia G. Castillan and the late Mr. Pepito S. Manantan, to be assisted by her uncle, Mr. Federico Esteves. Let's give them a big round of applause.
And also, we are truly happy to have here with us the father and the mother of the groom. Let's put a big hand for Mr. Cesar Gallardo and Mrs. Carlita A. Domingo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge the following people who have placed also Mr. Cesar Narne and Miss Angelica Cordero. A big round of applause for them, please. Jane Bosch and Miss Mary Jane Gallardo. A round of applause, please. A round of applause, please.
We start with Mr. Aquino Fulgencio and Miss Maria Faye Saico. Next is Mr. Kevin Galarosa and Miss Jennifer Agad. Once again, Mr. Kevin Galarosa and Miss Jennifer Agad. And next is Francis Lopez and Miss Erica J. Valenzuela. Next is Mr. Federico Esteves and Miss Jessica Pola. Next is Mr. Ryan Esteves and Miss Charmaine Del Oro. And to the handsome and gentle best man and his standing and splendid maid of honor, who assisted the couple in their needs, Mr. Vincent P. Gallardo and Miss Yana Apelado. Mr. Ethan Galarosa. Where is Mr. Ethan? Kaway-kaway na lang dyan, Mr. Ethan. Ringel and Zara as husband and wife. So without further ado, I request everyone to please rise. Pakihawakan mo ang ating mga towels. Ayan ang ating mga towels na nandyan. Yan, pakihawakan mo. Is our newlywed, Mr. and Mrs. Gallardo. So we will go on Mr. Vincent Gallardo to lead us in our opening prayer.
Sumundali at gawing pagpasensya ng Panginoon. Sa ala ng Ama ng Anak ng Espiritu Santo, ito, isang malaking biyaya kung binigay niyo po sa akin. Panginoon, sana po gabayan mo po kami sa event na ito at sana bigyan mo kami ng maraming biyaya. Lalo-lalo na po sa bagong kasal po, si Rinian at si Sai. Panginoon, sana po gabayin po sila sa tataking buhay po. Sana po bigyan niyo po sila ng masaya at mabiyaya ang buhay po. Ito po inigin namin sa Pangalan ni Jesus, aming Panginoon. Sa ngalan naman ng Espiritu Santo.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Vincent. And now, they will all be seated. Again, Again, a very pleasant morning to everyone and welcome to Reniel and Cyrus wedding celebration. Ceremony earlier with our wedding vision, and the ceremony will be done here at San Sebastian Parish, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. And for those who just joining, welcome. This celebration of love, a new life together for Reniel and Syra. So sit down, relax, and the rest of the afternoon. Gutom na po ba ang lahat? O, hindi pa tayo kakain. And a wedding brings two people and their families together. It refreshes the family ties and friendship that have gone stale and almost forgotten against the toll of time and distance. We recognize the family member, isa nga po malakas na palakpakan, ang family Galliardo. And of course, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po sa family ni Miss Castillan. Ayan, thank you for your time and your love sa ating bagong kasal. So, once again, may I call our guest priest for today, Reverend Father Anthony Paul Bicolog, to lead our prayer for our food. Thank you so much.
Paspasan mo po ang aming pagsasaluhan, lalo-lalo na ang kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, nina Syra at nina Reniel. Ang lahat ng ito iniling namin sa ngalan ng iyong anak na aming Panginoon. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Thank you po, Father. So, para
To wear your big smiles and to take a photo to our newlywed. Thank you so much. As we took a photo opportunity with our newlywed. Thank you so much.
Happy wedding!
To our Sebastian Choir.
Ay, waki na. Ay, kaway po tayo. Happy wedding!
Next table, you ready?
Ay, happy naman po. Ay. Okay, happy
Table
wedding!
number 7, you ready?
Dito kayo makikita sa iyo. Ayan. Okay, happy naman! Ay, kaway po tayo sa video. Happy wedding! Happy wedding! Smile! Okay, heart naman po. Okay, kaway po tayo. Happy wedding! Oh, heart naman. Okay, kaway po kayo. Happy wedding! Tara na.
as well to the mother and son dance. Mother and daughter dance and mother and son dance. Peter and Santos. It is once again my privilege to present to you the new lovely couple in their first dance. Isa naman pong malakas na palakpakan sa ating bagong kasal. Ninangs and friends to share and give your support to the newlywed as they begin their life as the husband and wife. Meron po tayong secretary sa gilid. Ipalista po natin ang ating mga pangalan. Salamat po. Magpalista po tayo at humimay ng tea bago po natin isabit ang ating tulong o cash sa ating bagong kasal. Ako nagsasabi na po ang tatay ng ating group, Mr. Cesar Gallardo. Thank you so much sa inyong cheque. Nakakalaga ng one. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga nakapagpalista na, nakapagsabi na po ng ilang tulong pinansyal sa ating bagong kasal. Ng siksi, ibig at makapaw na biyaya. Sa mga may regalo po na sa mga may dala pong regalo ay iabot na lang po natin sa Philip Gallardo. Mukhang malaki-laki po kanilang sinasabi ngayon. Walang bawian ha, MJ tsaka Johan.
celebration is never complete without a toast and a bottle of good wine. It symbolizes the new life that Conner or couple will have together and wishes them better health, love, and times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, it takes one intelligent man to realize his dreams and achieve his goals in life and love. Two people who have come together today for a union that will truly last forever. Keys. Congratulations. Big round of applause. Please have a chance to be Hawaiian next year. It is clear. Reminder, let's put a twist in this event, okay? Sa makakasalubong ng bouquet ng abay na babae ay Ate Zaira, pakihagis na. Okay, sino nakakuha? Okay, sino nakakuha po ay matatanggal. Okay, at uupo. Okay, next, Zaira. Go! Okay, pwede ka na maupo sa mauhuli. Go! Congratulations sa iyo na yan. Yes, congratulations.
Ang tingin po.
So, kay Ringel, sana maging mas mature ka ba? Tapos maging mas talaga na mas excited. Kasi ngayon, tapos sana mas aalagaan yung pagkano niya tapos kasi ito yung banda maging kalipin yung tayo.
Maraming po salamat sa mga bate, lalo na ba't di ko umiiyak ka? Alagaan ko kinyaman na para masisimakal ko yung tito lagi. Ito na.
Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon. It's night time here in the US. By the way, I am Sarah's aunt and the older sister of her mom, and I just wanna wish them both a prosperous life ahead. And I just want to say thank you, especially kay Reniel, kasi he really lived up to what I told him before, na mahali niya si Sarah, and I'm happy. I'm naging masabi, ako naman ako. Yeah, thank you so much for giving her a good life. I know you're trying. nasurpass ko naman lahat. Thank you for taking care of her. Thank you for taking care of her mom. Iyak na ako. I wish nandiyan ako sa Pilipinas. Sorry. Pero babawi na lang kung uwi ko. And to Tyra, masaya ako para sa iyo. I am. Kung mahala kayong dalawa lagi. And thank you rin sa family na rin niyo because sa lahat ng support na binigay nila sa inyong dalawa. Yung sa akin ang gawin na kain niya na lang ako. Darating ko lang ating trabaho eh. Okay.
Palama po natin yung tita po ni Ate Syra from US, Ma'am Rowena, please. And now, let's hear also a few words of wisdom coming from the mother of the groom, Mrs. Perlita Gallardo.
Hindi ko makita eh. Hello, sa inyong dalawa, best wishes. Wish ko na maging masaya ang inyong pamilya. Kahit na nauna na yung inyong anak. But I'm happy that you are together now. That you have blessed most of our family. Wish ko na maging masaya at maunlad ang inyong pagsasama sa bawat pagsubok sa buhay. Kailangan nyo maghawak kamay para matawid nyo ang mga pagsubok, mga problema na darating sa inyong buhay. At siyempre, palakihin nyo na maayos ang inyong anak na may pagmamahal at kasama ang ating Panginoon para maging maliwanag ang inyong tahanan. Kahit na hindi ako nakauwi ng ilang taon, siyempre, mahal mo ako. Huwag kayong magtatampo sa akin dahil ginagawa ko ito para sa inyo. Ang suporta ko ay buong puso. Ang pagmamahal ko ay buong puso. Yun, ang hiling ko lang ay makakahalin nyo ang bawat isa. Awa ay pagtubayan kayo ng Panginoon at lang kayo ay maging matagumpay sa inyong pagsasama at sa inyong mga karir. Yun lang. That's witness.
Yun po, unang-unang po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po sa Diyos dahil nangyari ng kaganapan na ito na inasal kami talaga sa dibdib po kami. And thank you din po kina Father, sa parents ko po, sa mga tumulong, maraming salamat po. Sa mga tao po dito sa simbahan, maraming salamat po sa tulong nyo. Sa mga bisita po, yung galing pa sa Cavite, thank you sa pagdating dito. Sa mga nagpunta pong galing Pangasinan, thank you po. Sa mga kamag-anak po, thank you po. Sa kaibigan ko, syempre, salamat sa suporta niyo. Yan lang po. Ayun pala, tita, thank you din po sa ngiti. Si mama niyo po. Wala. Then, salamat din po kay mama eh. Yun lang po.
Good afternoon po. Unang-una po sa
lahat, thank you din po kay Lord at sa araw po na ito. Thank you rin po sa family namin, sa mga bisita kong pumunta, at sa friends ko namin, sa mga tumulong po. Si Tita po, thank you, pag-ingat ako natin. Ayun lang po, thank you po.
Yes, that about everything, ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to the end of our program. It's been a great and wonderful day with you all. Again, congratulations to Renel and Ate Zaira, and God bless each and every one. I am Mark Jansi Sampaga, saying thank you and have a safe trip home. I am signing off. Thank you po.
Happy wedding dito. Happy wedding! Kailangan na.
Wala.
Sa